Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this pink Valentine's Day makeup. Everything I use will be listed down in the description below, so make sure to check that out. If this is your first time watching my videos, thank you so much for watching. My name is Mina and I make videos related to beauty and skincare, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. I always like to start with my eyes first, so the first step for me is going to be applying an eye primer. And then while I'm waiting for that to dry, I like to do my brows. I just mostly like to fill in the inside parts towards my nose. And then brushing is a crucial step. For this look, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette, and I'm starting with this light pink shade. Applying it in my crease and all over my lid as a transition shade. Then I'm going to take this darker rust brown shade, and that's going to go in my outer V towards the edges of my crease. I like to first tap in the color before blending it out. And then I'm just going to blend that all out with a fluffy brush. So then I'm going to take this pink sparkly shade, gotta use pink for Valentine's Day, and I'm going to gently tap that first onto my lid, and then I like to use a gentle pressure to just kind of move it around to where I want it to be. So for this, I wanted to make sure it's hitting right at the crease and right in the middle of my lid. Then I want to take this sparkly light pink glitter shade. So I started putting this in my inner V and then realized that it was falling out all over under my eyes. So I'm trying to rub at it and get it out, but it's not working. So I thought I could use a blending brush to maybe blend it out, maybe sweep some of it away. I ended up reaching for my big powder brush to try to get rid of it. So then I decided to take this more lilac pink shimmery shade and apply that in the inner V, kind of to try to offset the mess created by the glitter. And still trying, second attempt, to get rid of all that glitter with a big powder brush. I want to darken and deepen the outer corners, so I'm going in with this dark brown shade. Had to blend this out real quick. So this is my third attempt to try to get rid of all that glitter. The powder brush was not doing it. I tried using my hands, trying picking off the glitter, still wasn't working. Eventually I reached for a tissue. I was pretty desperate at this point. For some reason it was not coming off. Whatever. So I went ahead and started on my base. I'm using the huestick in the shade Rise to color correct. My favorite foundation lately, the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. I really wanted to go for a more full coverage effect, so I was sure to use a patting motion rather than sweeping and brushing, because patting in with dense bristles will be sure to give you that full coverage as opposed to trying to move around the foundation. So this is a concealer technique that I saw Robert Welsh do, but basically you use just a little on the insides, maybe the outside of your eye if you want, and then use an angled concealer brush to blend it out. I really like the results I've been getting from doing it like this. And I started realizing you don't need as much concealer as you think you do. Like, a little goes a long way. Just setting that with some powder. So sometimes after I apply my foundation, I have to touch up my brows just a little bit. So here I want to finish out the eye, so I'm going in with this more maroon shade and using that as a liner. Gotta wing your liner, especially for Valentine's Day. I got the Stila All Day liquid liner a few months ago and I'm really liking it. I feel like it's much easier to create a winged eyeliner. I honestly didn't do wings too much before I got this. So here I'm just tight lining and putting eyeliner only towards the outside of my waterline. Then just curling my lashes and applying the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. So here I'm taking the Rare Beauty liquid blush. And when I apply blush, I really try to put it on the high points of my face and kind of work it up because I have a round face. And here, this is the Rare Beauty liquid luminizer in the shade Transcend. I kind of wanted more of a natural highlight for this, and the shade that I have is also more rose gold as well, so it's definitely going to enhance the whole pink theme. I feel like I ended up bringing this too much to the front of my face, so just fixing that. Here I'm using probably my favorite huestick in the shade True. I think it's the perfect nude pink. And I also wanted to add a bit to my cheeks as well on top of the blush I already used, just because I really feel like it's the perfect pink. And I just wanted to finish by adding some Hueglow to my chest and collarbone. Okay guys, so this is my Valentine's Day makeup. I know I definitely struggled with the eyes there. The glitter got way out of hand. I was not expecting that, but it's okay. Other than the disaster with the glitter, I in general do like how the eyes turned out. Pink is probably my favorite color, so I really like doing a more pink focused look, and Valentine's is the perfect day to do it. So I hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day, whoever you're spending it with, and if you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.